If you're a RevOps leader, you know the drill, right? This is all about an expectation that we drive predictable growth while juggling disconnected systems, manual updates, uneven execution across all teams. Our goal is to show you a better way, how to move from reactive reporting to truly orchestrating your revenue engine. I'm going to jump right over to talking about RevOps. I think of it in 4 key areas. From a CRM perspective, we rely heavily on the data that sits in our systems, but unfortunately, that data only tells us part of the story. It's really whatever the rep or the person inputting the information has at that point. While all these conversations that are happening with customers, all these conversations that are happening with the integrated teams actually show what's happening on the ground and really is happening in each deal. Forecasting, in a similar vein, risks that pop up in our forecast really appear in those conversations before they appear in the pipeline. And that drags us back. Additionally, we've got managers in our selling teams that are wanting to coach better, don't have great visibility. So there's a lot of guesswork, right? A lot of where are the problems? Where do we need to lean in instead of pure guidance towards those coaching opportunities? And then lastly, to put a wrapper around all of it, you've got system and process fragmentation that makes this even more complex. It leaves us all in a very reactive mode instead of orchestration mode and thinking ahead. RevOps traditionally has been spending an awful lot of time looking backward, rear view mirror, reporting on what already happened. But growth, meanwhile, is happening in real time. Our shift as organizations across technical teams is really to look and say, how do we move from passive intelligence to more active orchestration? With AI, we can move from analyzing that data to taking action, turning that insight into real-time decisions that drive predictable growth. It's really a means of changing your mindset a little bit from what happened into what should I do right now? I've got information to do something right now. Let's take action and get that next win. And this is exactly why we built Zoom Revenue Accelerator, to turn every single conversation that we have into action.